Hey there! Welcome to Scantalks, the official podcast from Creaform, the global leader in portable and automated 3D metrology solutions. I'm so thrilled to be here today celebrating something truly special: 20 years of innovation, precision, and leadership in 3D scanning.
20 years! That's a huge milestone. It's amazing to think how much the industry has evolved and how Creaform has consistently been the one pushing those boundaries.
Exactly. When you look back, it's not just about creating new products, it's about reimagining what's possible. So today, we're taking you on a journey through time. From the very first HandySCAN 3D to the cutting-edge Creaform OS ecosystem, we'll relive how it all started and where it's headed next.
Buckle up, because this story starts with one word: revolution.
Let's go back to 2005. Creaform changed everything with the launch of the HandySCAN 3D, the world's first handheld self-positioning laser scanner.
And that was a huge deal. Before that, 3D scanning was tied to fixed setups and external tracking systems. It was slow, complicated, and definitely not something you could take to the shop floor.
Right, but Creaform broke that mold. The HandySCAN 3D eliminated those constraints, offering precise 3D scanning directly in production environments, even in unstable conditions.
That's what kicked off the handheld revolution. Suddenly, engineers could bring the scanner to the part, not the other way around. It was a complete mindset shift from traditional coordinate measuring machines, or CMMs.
And that shift, from stationary to mobile, really set the foundation for everything that followed.
Exactly. It wasn't just a product launch, it was the birth of a new class of 3D metrology.
Fast forward a few years to 2010, and Creaform did it again. This time with the HandyPROBE.
Oh yes, the portable probing system that freed users from the limitations of articulated arms. It used optical tracking and dynamic referencing, so even if the part moved or vibrated, accuracy stayed rock solid.
Imagine how liberating that was for manufacturing teams. No more worrying about movement, just pure, reliable data.
And that same year, Creaform released the MetraSCAN 3D, a game-changer for large and complex parts. It was an optical CMM scanner that could operate directly on the shop floor, again, using dynamic referencing.
You can really see the theme emerging here: accessibility and precision hand in hand.
Exactly. Then came 2014, and Creaform made 3D scanning accessible to everyone with the GoScan 20 and GoScan 50. Even non-experts could scan in under 2 minutes.
That's faster than my coffee break.
True, but it also marked the debut of hybrid positioning: geometry, targets, and texture tracking combined. No targets needed. That simplicity changed how people approached 3D scanning altogether.
And speaking of speed, that same year came the HandySCAN 700. It was 5 times faster than its predecessor and became the gold standard in metrology-grade handheld scanners.
5 times faster. That leap opened the door for widespread use in quality control applications.
Then in 2016, Creaform tackled one of the toughest challenges in scanning: shiny and black parts. The MetraSCAN 750 did that without surface preparation or powder.
That's right. No powder, no prep, just scan. It was all about speed and precision.
And it didn't stop there. 2018 brought automation to the table with the Cube R, a fully automated 3D scanning cell powered by the MetraSCAN 3DR.
Exactly. Imagine combining high-speed, non-contact inspection with automation. That's when the concept of inspection at the speed of automation was born.
And then came 2019, the year of certified accuracy. The HandySCAN 3D Black Series was ISO 17025 certified and compliant with VDI/VDE standards.
That was Creaform's way of saying, we don't just claim accuracy, we prove it. 25 microns of accuracy, blue laser technology. It set an entirely new benchmark.
Oh, and let's not forget the GoScan Spark, also in 2019. That one brought color scanning and real-time mesh generation, making it fast, intuitive, and beautiful to watch in action.
The Spark definitely lived up to its name.
Absolutely.
Moving into 2020, the focus was clear, bringing high-end metrology straight to the shop floor.
Right. The black models of the MetraSCAN 3D were designed for quality control in tough environments. They handled reflective surfaces, vibrations, even part movement, and still delivered metrology-grade accuracy.
That's what made them stand out. Reliability under real-world conditions.
Then 2021 came along with another leap, the MetraSCAN R Black Plus Elite HD. This one was optimized for sheet metal inspection, capturing every subtle deformation and fine-edge detail.
I remember how it improved robotic quality control cells. Sharper resolution, faster results, and higher confidence in the data.
And most recently, the HandySCAN 3D Max series in 2023. That's the big one. Literally.
The one for large parts.
Exactly. It allowed scanning huge components that couldn't be moved to a metrology lab, perfect for aerospace, automotive, and energy sectors.
What's fascinating is how every product evolved from the same philosophy, making 3D metrology faster, more flexible, and closer to where people actually work.
And that consistency, that DNA of innovation, is what keeps Creaform at the top.
And now, here we are, 2025. A new era begins with Creaform OS and the Creaform Metrology Suite.
This is where everything connects: scanners, software, workflows, all in one integrated ecosystem. It's smarter, faster, and built for the future.
Later this year, we'll see the HandySCAN 3D Pro and HandySCAN 3D EVO series. More ergonomic, more versatile, and once again, redefining the standard.
What's incredible is that Creaform has never stopped leading. Every innovation, every upgrade, it's been about solving real challenges, not just following trends.
Exactly. That's the beauty of being a true problem solver. When you buy from the company that invented the original idea, you're not just getting technology. You're getting decades of experience, understanding, and purpose.
And that's why others can imitate the technology, but they can't replicate the spirit behind it.
Often copied, never equaled. That says it all.
As Creaform steps into its third decade, one thing's certain: innovation isn't just what they do, it's who they are.
Well said. And with that, we wrap up this special anniversary edition of Scantalks.
Thanks for joining us as we celebrated 20 years of pushing boundaries and shaping the future of portable 3D metrology.
Don't forget to subscribe and tune in next time, because the next chapter of innovation is just beginning.
See you on the next episode of Scantalks.